In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft account using your phone. Managing your digital presence is essential, and knowing how to close accounts you no longer use can help keep your online footprint tidy. Let's walk through this process together. The first thing you'll need is your phone with an internet connection. Open up a web browser on your phone, such as Chrome or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the official Microsoft account website. If you're not sure of the address, you can always perform a quick search for Microsoft account sign-in to guide you to the correct page. Now that you're on the Microsoft account website, it's time to sign in. Make sure you enter the credentials for the specific account you want to delete. It's crucial to be careful at this stage to avoid making changes to the wrong account. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the top corner of the page where you'll typically see your profile icon or picture. Give that a click and select the option that says My Profile. As you scroll down your profile page, keep an eye out for the Account Info section. This is where you'll find the link to Close Account. Click on that and you'll begin the process. Microsoft will guide you through a series of pages providing you with crucial information about closing your account. This is an important step as it outlines the implications and what closing your account means for you. Make sure to read everything carefully. There's often important information about subscriptions, stored data, and services linked to your account, so it's wise to understand all the potential impacts. During this process, you may be asked to verify your identity. This typically involves confirming through a text message, email, or another security measure that helps ensure you are authorized to make changes to the account. Once these steps are completed, you'll reach the final stage of the process. Here, Microsoft will ask you to select a reason for the closure, acknowledge that you've read and understood the terms, and then choose to mark account for closure. It's a bit like a final confirmation, underscoring the importance of your decision. Keep in mind your account won't vanish immediately. Microsoft imposes a waiting period, often around 60 days. During this time, should you change your mind, you have the option to log back in and reactivate your account. This period acts as a safeguard against accidental actions and ensures you've reviewed your decision thoroughly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set in motion the closure of your Microsoft account. Remember, managing and streamlining your digital accounts can contribute to better security and privacy in the long run. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.